Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the subscribe button with a green screen background on your YouTube videos. And if you don't have the green screen video of the subscribe button, just click the link in the description. Hello guys, this is Ice King. If you wanna be updated with the latest life hacks, tips, tricks, and tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. Alright, so first thing that we are going to do is to open KineMaster. Select 16:9 ratio and insert the video that you wanna edit. Right next, we have to select layer and add the green screen video. Resize it and put it in position. Now select the green screen video and apply the chroma key. And if you can see a little bit of green color, just adjust the percentage. And we're done. Thanks for watching.